Ever had a trade go in your favor and you wished you could shift your stop loss to cost so that you don't lose even if the market reverses on your position? That's exactly what move to cost is for. It ensures that your capital is protected and losses are minimized by shifting your stop loss to the entry price once certain conditions are met. So in this video, we'll break down what is move to cost, how it works and how to set it up in QuantMan, and why it is a smart tool to secure your capital and minimize losses. So without any further delay, let's get into the video. Move to cost is a feature that enables to shift your stop loss to the entry price once certain conditions are met. This means you're no longer risking your capital once your target conditions are met. At worst, you exit the trade at break even, and at best, you ride the trend and book your profits. Let's see how to set up move to cost in QuantMan. Step 1. Go to the QuantMan platform. Step 2. Log in with your broker. Step 3. Go to the strategy builder page and create your strategy as per your logic. Step 4. Then you can enable move to cost by activating it either in adjustments or quick adjustments after specifying your target conditions. Now, once your target conditions are met, your stop loss will be automatically shifted to the entry price without any manual intervention. Let's see how move to cost works in QuantMan. Let's break it down with an example where you enter a trade at a premium of 100 with a 20-point initial stop loss at 80. Here, the target condition is to enable move to cost once your position crosses 30 points in profit. The moment your profit crosses 30 points, your initial stop loss will be shifted to 100. If the markets reverse from 140, your positions will be squared off at the entry price without any loss. If the markets keep moving in your favorable direction, then great, you will stay in the trade. Otherwise, move to cost will protect you from turning a winning trade into a losing one. When and why to use move to cost? Great for volatile markets. It acts as a safety net for reversal when the market is in your favorable direction. Protects your capital. Once the target condition is met, your risk becomes zero. Perfect for algo trading. No emotions, just logical and disciplined exits. Pro tips for traders. Don't trigger too early. Set the move to cost trigger at a realistic profit level, not too early. If you enable move to cost too soon, that is even after a 2 to 3 point move, minor fluctuations might trigger your stop loss and you might exit your trade early. Backtest to find the sweet spot. Always backtest your move to cost levels in QuantMan before going live. That's because different instruments behave differently. The optimal move to cost level in Nifty may be 15 points, but in BankNifty it might be 40 points. Backtesting helps you to find the optimal trigger point between safety and staying in the trade. If you want to reduce the emotional stress of trading and protect your capital, move to cost is a simple yet powerful feature that you must start using in your QuantMan strategies. Now tell me, have you ever used the move to cost feature in your strategies? Let me know in the comment section below about your experience. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more such helpful content. Happy trading.
Trading and investing involve substantial risk and are not suitable for every investor.